My career as an automotive improvement expert began when I modified my first car. Since then, as a car enthusiast and published author, my obsession with the automobile has led me to enhance tons of vehicles, both inside and out. That's why I'm thrilled to be a part of a brand new series designed to help keep your car looking great and your engine running like new. I'm Chris Duke, and welcome to eHow's Auto Center, brought to you by Mobile One.
Hey Chris, I'm trying to improve the performance of my engine, but I don't have a whole lot of time to work on my car. You got any tips that can help me out?
Well, there's always something you can do to increase your vehicle's performance. Now, when planning projects like this, it's always best to look at your budget and your time frame for getting it done. This will help you decide which routes you'll take and help you narrow down your choices. I think the best way to tackle this question is by giving you a great list of 5 quick things you can do to increase the performance in your vehicle. Probably one of the most popular and easiest things you could do to improve your vehicle's performance is to add a cold air intake kit. A kit like this will usually replace the standard air box and air filter in your vehicle. The kits usually come complete with a cold air tube and some form of performance air filter. They are easy to install and usually only take several minutes with standard hand tools. Don't forget to wear safety glasses and mechanics gloves while doing this job. Now, depending on the type of vehicle and cold air kit you use, you can see horsepower gains anywhere from 7 all the way up to 20 horsepower, and you can even see an improvement in gas mileage too. This is a great starting point for any type of performance improvement. The better your vehicle breathes, the better it's going to run. Depending on your type of vehicle, you may be able to replace your stock OEM pulleys with some aftermarket pulleys and belt replacements. These kits will help take away some of the power drain from the other accessories on your engine, freeing up some of the power. Most kits come complete with the pulleys and a replacement drive belt. They can be installed with normal hand tools, although in some cases it may require air tools. Always check with the kit maker to see if any special installation tools are needed, and if so, you may want to consult your mechanic. A custom engine tune using a programmer is another option. Since the introduction of OBD2, engine tuning has become more of a computerized art than the old days of hunkering under a hood with a timing light and a spark plug gapper. Now you can order a programmer that you can just plug right into your OBD2 slot and upload a custom performance tune to your car's ECM. There are many companies that offer these devices, so check around and read the reviews to see which best suits your need. And also when ordering, don't forget to tell the tuner about any other performance mods that you may have already done, since this will affect the tune. Installing a catback exhaust system or even just some performance mufflers can help increase performance and give you a really nice exhaust note to go along with it. Like we said earlier, the better your engine breathes, the better it will perform. Installation is a little bit more involved than the others, typically requiring you to jack up your vehicle. You can get away with using hand tools, and be sure to wear gloves and safety glasses. And finally, headers. Now, a good header will produce a scavenging effect, increasing exhaust gas flow, allowing more air and fuel into the motor, creating more power. Now, a quality set of headers can add horsepower, and if your driving techniques are up to snuff, can increase your mileage. Well, I hope that we've helped you out with these 5 tips for adding some performance to your vehicle. As with any kind of work you do on your vehicle, always remember to use the proper tools and safety equipment. It's going to make your job a lot easier. And don't forget, if you're unsure about doing any of these things yourself, ask your mechanic. They're always a great source of information. Well, I hope this information makes it easier for you to decide what's best for your vehicle. For eHow's Auto Center, I'm Chris Duke. Here's to helping keep your car running like new.